Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to edit the theme header and footer for your HubSpot's CMS or landing page, homepage, or store using the site builder. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your HubSpot account as an administrator. So as you can see, I'm currently in the dashboard right now. And the idea here is you would want to navigate to the marketing tab found on the top left corner of the screen. So it's this one right here. It's the one between conversations and sales. So you'd want to click on this drop down and select landing pages from the menu. So I'm going to click on this and let's actually do one from scratch. Or we could just do one from my already existing landing pages. So let's do this one, for example. But if you guys actually want to change some of the elements or containers of your page here, you could do so as well. So if we're going to do the footer and header, you know what, let's actually do one from scratch. So I'm going to click on create. Let's do landing page real quick. Give it a name, Core Dynamics Tech, for example. Click on create. And HubSpot is actually going to generate a page for you to work on. And from here, you want to select the template for your page. So if we're going to do one with a header and footer for the theme, we can select home as our template, like so. And from here, you get to edit the elements of your website. So to do so, click on add, like so. And you'll see that there's a container or a segment for heading and page footer. So if I were to drag this along here into this space, you'll see that I'm actually able to edit it. Let's actually click on open in global content creator or editor, I should say. So here we are. So if I were to do heading, once again, you can basically add anything you want here. You could do, you could add a logo, you could import an image, add a menu to it, select different styles to it, give it a background or a color even, and the same goes for if we were to edit the footer for our page. So if I were to drag this, actually let's go back to the normal page editor real quick and select footer, this one right here. Let's actually wait for it to load. Wait. Let's do that again. Drag it in this container right here. And here we are. Now we can actually edit a couple of things here, like a visibility, as well as the content of it, the typography, like the font and whatnot, the font size, the color, the border, and so on. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully it helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.